Harita njira ya kwandandura thoko ya macani guku bururi-ini, thirikari ni igurite fataraitha ya tani 50,500 iria itanyitwo kugacirithia urimi wa macani guku bururi-ini.
We have been able to do more than 10,000 metric tons of cargo as at this morning, giving us an average performance of 3,500 per day. Weather permitting, that is per shift.
Makiria ma arimi 600,000 a macani nio mekugunika na fataraitha ino.
This fertilizer has been imported by 600,000 small-scale tea growers who we do represent as KTDA, and also it's the biggest ever consignment that has also been brought in the KTDA history.
Ruhonge rugamiriri wa icukiro cia meri KPA rukoretwo rukiamukira tani 3,500 cia fataraitha o thabari, na mirigo eno itanyitwo guthie na mbere na kuingira gicukiro-ini kia Mombatha ihinda-ini ria ciumia 2 ciukite.
We expect the next vessel to be here within the next 2 weeks.
Fataraitha ino igubukorwo kuma meri-ini gwa kahinda ga ciumia 2, na thutha ucio arimi a macani mambie kumiamukira gwa kahinda ga ciumia 3 ciukite. Murigo uyu wa fataraitha ino niguo munene riu kurehwo bururi-ini ni ruhonge rugamiriri wa macani KTDA. Wanjiru Meta, Inooro TV.